Thursday night football tailgating here in Troy, Alabama. Crisp weather. It's probably in the low 60s, dropping into the 40s tonight. Looks like a Saturday, but it's a Thursday. The band's coming in. The concert's going on. The game's on ESPN2. Expecting a pretty big crowd, especially for a Thursday. Headed over to the alumni house. This is called Tailgate Terrace here. They're about to do the Trojan walk. The team is coming behind the band in buses.